In this video, I'm going to give you 9 steps to purchasing a house in the Bay Area. The Bay Area is one of the most desirable real estate markets in the world. And as a new home buyer, navigating through the property buying process is it's kind of difficult. It sucks. My name's William. I'm the Millennials agent, and I'm here to help millennials buy houses. Because why? It's our turn now. Millennials equal technology. Technology equals easier. I'd rather make easier. I'm a licensed realtor in the state of California. This is 9 steps to purchasing a house in the Bay Area. Stay until the end, and I'm gonna show you where to go to download my free PDF version of this home buyer's guide in 9 steps. All right, so step number 1, find your real estate agent, but not just any real estate agent. You want to find somebody that you can trust and that's going to understand the market and be able to educate you through the entire transaction. Step number 2, get pre-qualified. Don't skip this step. Agents don't want to work with you if you don't have a pre-qualification. 1, your agent doesn't even know for sure if you can qualify for a property. Yeah, because I would love to just show you properties all weekend, even though we don't know for sure if you can afford one. No. 2, the other agent is not going to take your offer seriously because they don't know if you can qualify for the property. The Bay Area is really competitive, and there's probably like 15 offers on that same property that you put an offer on that have pre-approval letters, and yours doesn't. Guess whose offer's not getting accepted? Your agent should be able to point you in the right direction to be able to find a lender to show you exactly what you can qualify for before you actually start your search. Your lender should have information on down payment assistance and grants that are available in the area. Step number 3, visiting properties. Everybody's favorite step. And now that your agent knows that you actually qualify for a house, they should be able to show you properties in the desired location with the amenities that you're looking for. Step number 4, negotiate. Once you find a property that you're interested in, your agent should be able to give you an idea about where to come in to get your offer accepted. If it doesn't get accepted and it's too low, more than likely you're going to get a counter. And if you get a counter, you can accept it or reject it, or you can send another counter. I'm an excellent negotiator. Hence, taco meat. Step number 5, review the contract and disclosures package. Analyze the contract of sale and the disclosures along with any other documents that are associated with the file, and your agent should be able to protect your interests by understanding what's going on with the disclosures. Step number 6, submit your final offer. Work with your agent to submit your final offer, which includes your contract and the disclosures package. Step number 7, seller approves the purchase. Once the price and all other terms are agreed upon, the property goes into escrow and you're one step closer to becoming a homeowner. Step number 8, final walkthrough with your agent. This step ensures that the property's condition hasn't changed since the last time you visited. I don't remember homeless people being here when we made an offer. And all your terms are going to be met before you close on the property. And last but not least, step number 9, closing of escrow. Congratulations, you're a homeowner. Now that you know everything you need to do to purchase a house, download my free PDF version of this home buyer's guide in the link below. But I like my time.